Remember, you got to find a loose one. If you can find a loose one, there you go.
Now let me pull it out for you. And when it falls down, you get to stack it back up. My turn.
Well, if it's tight, you can still pull it out. You got to risk it, though. Can you chance it? Slide it right out. Use 2 hands. Oh, there you go. Oh, oh. Careful. It's your turn, little man. There you go. Now you got to put it on top. That's the hard part. Oh, careful. There you go. Oh. You can go lower if you want. Oh, it's shaking. Careful.
Oh, that one's better.
Now you want to go on the other side and pull it out.
Yeah.
Do you want Daddy to go make you a hamburger? Oh, you want to go too?
Oh. Can she do it? Oh, I don't think you want to do that one. That's just my pro tip of the day.